I don't have just one story. I could be here all day telling you stories of my patients' lives. I think the one that springs to mind is a lady that had incredibly severe papulopustularization. So the little red bumps, the pimples, the lumps in their skin, as well as a very red face. She was incredibly shy, quite a nervous lady, but so downcast because of this condition. She would have to wear thick makeup that would barely cover it. So I remember her because really with one consultation, I was able to give her the medical therapy that she needed, see her back in 2 to 3 months for her first treatment of XLV+, and with that combination, she was clear. And this has been going on for 5 to 10 years. This is not a new or a recent problem. This is something that she'd actually spent a long time living with, trying to conceal, before she picked up the courage to come and see me. And she actually came to see me because I treated one of her friends with much milder disease, but actually did very well. So she plucked up the courage to see me. And again, it was life-changing for her. She didn't have to wear makeup anymore. She wasn't embarrassed. She wasn't feeling red and hot and burning. She just had no symptoms whatsoever. She was clear, and 6 to 12 months on, still clear. Just with a little bit of medical therapy. She didn't need multiple treatments, she just needed one, which I just think is amazing. The results speak for themselves, so I don't need to sell here. I'm not here to help sell the device. I'm here to say if you want to use a vascular laser and achieve results, you owe it to your patients to try the XLV+.